Coronavirus hits Italy. Italy surpasses Iran with 148 deaths from the disease. Last Tuesday, Italy has the highest new number of deaths with coronavirus outside China. So if you really love to travel going to Italy, Iran, South Korea and China, do not pursue your plan because CDC has given an advice not to if your schedule is not that really important. Why? Coronavirus or COVID-19 has sickened more than 98,400 people according to unofficial counts. Of course, we don't want to be counted as one of them. We want to be safe and healthy, right? Of course. And as of today, March 6, 2020, at least 3,385 people have died, all but 3,042 in mainland China. As of today, 157 new cases, 30 new deaths from China, and 6,272 are still in critical condition. According to my research, at least there are 84 countries and territories with one international conveyance that are detected with coronavirus. Here is the data of the top 4 countries and one international conveyance with confirmed cases and deaths. China, 80,552 total cases, 143 new cases, and 3,042 deaths, and 30 new deaths. South Korea, 6,284 cases, 40 deaths. Iran, 3,513 cases with 108 deaths. Italy, 3,858 cases with 148 deaths. International conveyance, 696 cases with 6 deaths. Here are the rest of the countries with few cases but still in danger if they will just take this virus lightly. Now, let's take a look how fast this coronavirus spread from Wuhan to the world. December 31, 2019, there were just alarmed that there were several unusual pneumonia in Wuhan, China. Yet, 11 days after, January 11, China announced its first death from virus. January 13, Thailand was the first country that got infected. January 17, a second death has been reported. January 20, a third death has been announced with 200 infected. January 22, 17 deaths with 550 infected. And January 23, Wuhan have been quarantined. January 30, India and Philippines confirmed that they have one patient with coronavirus. January 31, Russia, Spain, United Kingdom, and Sweden confirmed their first cases of this virus. 2 months have passed. 84 countries got infected with the virus. March 3, Italy's record of deaths increasing. This coronavirus is a deadly new virus. It has shaken the world. Fears are growing about this virus. Some businessmen took advantage of the need of the face mask. In one country I know, from $1 point something every box to $10 every pack. These some shameless businessmen are no help but just so greedy of taking money. Now, what is coronavirus? It is a new deadly virus. It belongs to a family of viruses that cause respiratory illnesses in humans, from such common cold to more severe acute respiratory syndrome or SARS, and Middle East respiratory syndrome or MERS. This virus could stay on any kind of metal, floor, or even cloth and could still be infectious from 2 hours to 9 days. At colder temperature like 4 Celsius, it could remain infectious up to 28 days. If a person got infected, its symptoms are fever, cough, and shortness of breath, and the symptoms may appear 2 to 14 days after exposure. Experts believe that sneezing and coughing are the primary form of transmission, but some experts also believe that laughing, singing, breathing, and talking could be a possible transmission too, since the virus is so tiny and light. Experts recommended that people who are well or not necessarily wear face masks. Why? It could still penetrate your 2 open eyes, and some believe that it could still penetrate the ordinary face mask that you are wearing right now. So, I will not wear and I will not buy face masks because nowadays 1 pack of face masks is an equivalent of 13 kilos of rice in one country I know. All we have to do is to follow the advices of the health experts, like 6 feet away from the infected person, avoid touching your eyes and nose and mouth. Do not go to some places and countries who have been significant outbreaks. Stay home when sick. Cover your mouth when you sneeze and cough with tissue and throw it in the bin. Clean and disinfect frequently touch objects or surfaces using disinfectant spray. Follow CDC's recommendation for using face mask. Wash your hands thoroughly with soap for at least 20 seconds. If water is not available, use sanitizer with at least 60% alcohol. Do not panic if you have neighbor that you know that they got infected. They need help. They need us. If we cannot help medically, at least we can help to pray. And that is the most important thing to do. In this world, we are family. We need each other. If we can't help medically, if we can't help financially, then we can help spiritually. Pray for God healing to those who are infected, and pray for God protections for yourself and to your family and for the whole human race. Only God can put us into the safest place, and that place, the safest one, is in His hands. God is in control of this. If you are now in China, South Korea, Italy, and Iran, and maybe you have someone infected from your family or friends, pray. That's the best thing we can do. Pray. God has a plan for this. We may not understand it today. One thing is for sure, and I want you to remember this. This verse is from a song. God is too wise to be mistaken. God is too good to be unkind. So when you don't understand today, when you don't see His plan today, when you can't trace His hand, just trust His heart. And the word of the Bible, or the book of Chronicles 7:14, it says there, "If my people which are called by my name shall humble themselves and pray and seek my face and turn from their wicked ways, then I will hear from heaven and will forgive their sin and will heal their land." 2 Chronicles 7:14. Thank you for watching. I do hope that you have learned something from my episode. Thank you so much and goodbye.